Hey, I'm Ronja from CCM, where our mission is to help people to a better life, emotionally and mentally. We post videos every Monday and Thursday, so remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And today we are going to talk about tree hugging. And firstly, I am going to talk about why you should do it, and after that, some tips and tricks on how you can do it. And like always, the timestamps are in the description. So let's jump ahead. So why should you do tree hugging? My first reason, and it might sound a bit silly, but it's because it's easy. It's a lot of techniques out there that you can use, and some are easy and some are complicated. And to be honest, most of the times for me, the easy ones are the ones who really sticks for me and I more often go to and feel doing. And tree hugging is really easy. And if you really don't want to hug the tree, you can just lean towards it, like just rest towards it. It's all about feeling connected to it, so you really don't need to have both your arms around and hug it if you don't want to. The other thing that is the reason why you should do tree hugging is because it calms your mind. I don't know any time that I have been connected to a tree and my mind hasn't got calmer. If it's very stressed up and have a lot in its mind, it's not like the thoughts just disappear, not at all. But they are a bit slower. Like it's this a little bit more room between them. And that is a really good effect, because when you are real tight or emotional or everything just goes so fast, just getting your mind a bit calmer. And it isn't like you actually do something that will irritate you, or maybe not. Maybe for some it will, but for me it doesn't. I know when I started with meditating, I would get more stressed. I would get more emotions just by sitting there and try not to think, and it was hard. But with tree hugging, it has calming effect, and you don't do. It's not like you try to force it, and you shouldn't force it with meditation, but it's easier. And it's calm you, and it's not on an irritating way. Mostly when you are around a tree, you are a bit in nature. Maybe it's just a little bit and a little part, but you are more in nature than you are in your house or in your apartment. And getting out in nature, even if you aren't really connecting with the tree or hugging the tree, getting out in nature also have calming on your mind and also have a lot of benefits for your mental state and emotional state. And that's my fourth reason. It calms your emotion on the same way it calms your thought. Thoughts and emotion often go hand in hand and goes with each other. And now to the tips and tricks section. I didn't have how to do it on this video because I thought the name tree hugging was so self-explanatory. And my first tip is actually about what I did talk about before, but from another sense. So maybe you shouldn't do this the first time if this is something you're good at really from the start. But that is to meditate. So when you meditate with the tree, you really try to immerse yourself with it, being one with it. Try to feel the sun on your leaf and the wind blowing through it, and getting your water out of the ground, and try to feel how it is to feel like to be a tree if the tree had emotions. The next tip I have for you is when you are there hugging the tree, try to feel the negative emotions and negative things just going down the ground. The ground is taking it up. Just feel the sensation that everything is going down the ground that doesn't serve you. My third tip is, and this is if you can, but go to a place where you won't be interrupted, because maybe it feels very weird that people go beside you and you're hugging the tree, or maybe just like this, you are in nature, you hear the nature noise, and then you hear steps. It might interrupt your energy or how you feel about it. My last tip for you is to cry, be angry, let your emotions out. And that is because the tree is really good at taking care of the emotions. It's really good at being there for you and support you and letting your emotions be. And then it helps you calm you down when you have getting it out. What is your experience with tree hugging? Let me know in the comments. And remember, thumbs up or thumbs down. I see you in the next video. Take care.